Ladies and gentlemen, here is a BBC microbit. It's not just a circuit board, it's also a pocket-sized genius that makes you feel like Tony Stark, but on a budget. Just look at this thing, bro. It's got LEDs, a compass, a motion sensor. It's basically a Swiss Army knife, but for nerds. Let's just connect it to the computer. The LED is on, so now we are jacked in, bro. So now it's time to program this bad boy. Let's do it. You can either use Python or JavaScript or even block coding. Yes, block coding, seriously, it's like Lego, but instead of stepping on bricks, you step into the world of Greek glory. Let's just get to coding. Here, just program like a G. So as you can see, it's showing a heart. Or you love me? Seriously? Boom! Just like that. Just look at it, bro. The custom LED animation. I mean, is it art? Or is it science? Who cares? It's just blinking. And I made it. Hey. Oh my god, good thing I dropped it. But finally got it. I actually thought that I might have lost about $30. Damn, expensive stuff. But finally I got it. Almost lost it there. But hey, microbit is tough. It's like the Chuck Norris of microcontrollers. Oh my god. Great BBC microbit. So what's next, man? Can it be games? Maybe a robot? The one that I showed before, maybe? You know, who knows? It might be a catch there. Or is there? Controlling my lights? Possibilities are endless. And I'm just getting started. So, if you're ready to sap your creativity, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's microbit our way to greatness. Thank you, and see you in the next video. See ya! Don't get sapped, losers. Oh yeah, and one thing. If someone tells these microcontrollers are useless, you can't do anything of it, then, wait a minute. Tell them that I said that they are fake as. I was just recording and I noticed that caught on fire. What the? I was just going to do a prank, but it. Plus, subscribe if you want an online cookie.